Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video I'm making just a quick tip for you to heal yourself and the process of healing, because a lot of you have questions like how much time can we heal for, or what is the process, how do we put the intention, or how do we close it. So I'm just making this video a quick video for the process how you can use healing. It doesn't matter if you've learned it, not learned it, if you're practicing one type of healing, Reiki healing, prana healing, any kind of healing. This process works for all. So the process is, first of all, your body needs to be relaxed. So you need to be sitting or standing or lying down in the bed or any space for a comfort of your body. So your body should be comfortable. If you're traveling, you'll be anyways sitting. If you're bathing, you'll be anyways bathing. But if you're doing it for a long time, you put your body in a comfortable space. When your body is comfortable, the second part is when you close your eyes and you call for the healing. So you're making a call for the healing, and you'll say that I call upon my guides, angels, God, whoever you believe in, whatever you believe in, the source, to make me a clear channel of healing, and let the healing light flow through me, whatever light you want to call. Let the healing light flow through my crown chakra into my body and heal my body, all parts of it. If you're sending it to somebody else, you will say that use my body as a channel and flow it to whatever person's name is that person. This is the first step. So you've called healing. Once you call the healing, and if you're afraid, though you should not be, I've shared a video why you should not be afraid, but if you are, you can just also put an intention that I only intend to receive positivity, white light, or positive energies, and no negative energies are allowed inside the zone or the area. So that'll be good enough. You've set the intent. There is nothing negative that is coming across. Then second part is when you start healing. So if it is your body, you can, like I said, you can use healing with your hands, cup shape hands, or you can use healing with your intent. So you don't really have to put hands. So either ways you're doing it, you are going to focus on each part of your body where you want to send the healing. You can do it for one part, you can do it for the whole body, you can do it for one organ, you can do it for everything else. I've shared a video already that how vast things are where you can actually use healing. So you can use it for anything, anybody, or any situation, but just focus on that and fill it with that white light, violet light, or whatever you are kind of imagining, and fill it with that. Now the time, you can do it for 30 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, as you feel comfortable. There's no particular timeline. Also, if you think that you're not able to see the white light or see the light that you're intending, it's perfectly all right. Your intent works. You don't have to see it. Now, when you have flowed that healing to that particular area or situation or whatever, the next step is when you close it. When you close it, you say thank you. So you say thank you. I thank my energies, gods, guides, angels, source, whatever you've said in the initial prayer, and myself, and if you're doing it to somebody else, then that person's name, for the healing. I know and I have belief and faith that this healing is very, very effective and healing my body or that person's body, soul, or whatever situation, whatever you've put there, you can use the words accordingly. Then you will also imagine, you'll also do the cleansing. So you'll also imagine that whatever negativity has come out from your body, it has flown into Mother Earth or the cosmos, and it is changing into the positive energy. That's the whole healing process. Now you will say that I told you that you can do a quick healing like in 5 minutes, 1 minute, 10 minutes. How will you follow this whole process? So if you're doing healing while bathing, or if you don't have much time, you're doing it like for 1 minute, 2 minutes, what you will imagine is, you'll just say the prayer, I call upon Reiki healing energy or my guides and angels to make me a clear channel of healing, and just imagine that light starting from your head, moving through your body, under your toes, getting into Mother Earth, all the negativity getting into the Mother Earth, changing into whatever green energy or a tree somewhere, and your body filled with that positive energy, and then there is a circle of safety around you, so only positivity can come across, and you say thank you. So it can be like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 minute, whatever you're comfortable with. It can be that quick also. So if you have time, you can actually do the full process. If you don't have time, you can just do it quickly. So all the ways are available with you. You don't have to get very process oriented or get into a particular process, but this is the basic part, is that calling the energy and thanking the energy, setting up your intent is very important. And also whenever you do healings, just know that you cleanse that energy. Whenever that energy goes out, it changes into the positive energy or the green energy, or a tree or whatever. So that's how you can do healing. I hope this helps you kind of get into the quick process of healing. And if you sleep while healing yourself, like while you're doing the long process of healing and you sleep, it's perfectly fine. Your body will keep healing, or the situation or everything will keep healing, the light will keep flowing, so you don't have to be worried about that. So that's how how quick it can be. So I hope this helps you, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.